Get ready to solve division with remainders using square sharing.
Oh, I love squares. Can you show me how?
Of course. Let's start with this question. 15 divided by 2. We read it like this. 15 dots shared between two squares. What do you think we do next?
Well, we draw two squares and share 15 dots, one dot at a time, into each square until we run out.
Great thinking. Go ahead and try it.
Okay, I'm done. But wait. One square has 7 dots, and the other has 8. That's not fair, right?
Good catch, Greenie. Remember, each square has to have the same number of dots. The trick is to share the dots one round at a time. And whichever is left over goes aside as the remainder.
Oh, I get it now. So we stop when each square has 7 dots, and the one dot left over is the remainder. Is that right?
Exactly. So the division sentence is 15 divided by 2 equals 7 remainder 1.
Got it. Can we do another one together?
Of course. Let's try this one. 9 divided by 4. What's the first step?
9 dots shared between 4 squares. So, I'll draw 4 squares and share the dots, one at a time, round by round.
Perfect. Let's do it.
All right. Each square gets 2 dots, and 1 dot is left over. So the division sentence is 9 divided by 4 equals to remainder 1.
Bingo, Greenie. Now it's your turn for some square sharing fun. 11 divided by 3. Divided by 3 equals 3 remainder 2. Awesome. Next one. 14 divided by 4.
"14 divided by 4 equals 3 remainder 2.
Fantastic! Next up. 18 divided by 5. "18 divided by 5 equals 3 remainder 3. Nice job! Next one. 7 divided by 5. "7 divided by 5 equals 1 remainder 2. Perfect. Last one. 20 divided by 3. Divided by 3 equals 6 remainder 2. You did awesome. Next time, we'll solve division with remainders by circling. Hi everyone! How did you do with division today? I hope you had a fantastic time. More division fun is waiting for us. See you soon!